Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to review a Body Shop mask and it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. So I was about to use this mask. I thought I'll give you a review and first impression because this is first time I'm trying this mask. There was an entire series of superfood mask range created by Body Shop last year in 2018. That was a major hit. Around 4 to 6 masks those were created in this range, and there were 3-4 which interested me the most. But this was a really expensive range of face masks by Body Shop. That's the reason I did not got my hands on it very early, and I also had so many masks sitting in my vanity, so I thought first I'll go through those and then I'll move on to some other masks. So I have my favorite mask gone, and then I thought this is very comparable because my favorite YouTubers or the bloggers have raved about this one, and I've got much more interested because I have combination and oily skin, and as you can see today I'm bare skin. I have pores around here, around my nose and on my cheeks, which are really visible. So that's what is my major problem, pores and uneven skin tone. That's what I usually go for. I have a bit of pimple around here which I don't know how I'm getting, but that's the main concern for me right now. So this mask is called the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. It cost for rupees 1895. So yes, this is a 2000 rupees mask. This is 75 ml, so this is a huge bottle. As you could see, this is like a beautiful glass, like a heavy glass bottle. This is not cheap, this is really heavy, and then it cost 1895. So obviously this has to be, the packaging has to be beautiful, else who would buy a 2000 rupees mask, right? So this is everything, and then at the top it says the Body Shop logo, and at the bottom, guys, never forget to check this thing out. It says 12 months, like you can see at this place it says 12 months. So if you open it today, you have to use it within next 12 months. If you don't use it within that time range, do not use post that, because there are ingredients in this mask or any product, be it skincare or makeup, which we use and we do not see it, but after a certain time the ingredients go bad and it could react really worse on your skin. So make sure you use it within 12 months, and always check that out on any brand you or any skin or makeup product you use. And there is a lid which makes sure that the product does not spill over. This is a ready to use mask, like you don't have to use anything, just apply it straight on your face, and then oh my god, so beautiful. So as you could see, this has like a muddy texture, and there are few grits I could see in this mask, as you could see as well. I think that is green tea. If you're sensitive to smell, I don't think this is going to bother. It has a very mild smell, and that too straightforward. I feel this is green tea oil. I know how green tea smells. I have combination skin, so I have tried it 1000 times. This is like green tea straight in the bottle. So if you are not okay with the aroma of green tea, then skip this mask. It has that smell straight. Oils does not create any issue for me because I have combination skin, and oily and combination skin go well with green tea and its oil. So that's not an issue. Mine from Nykaa, and I can place the link from wherever you can buy this mask, and let me read out what it claims and what all the specifications are. So as per the website of Body Shop, it says refine and revive your skin with our Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So it is a purifying mask. If you have acne, pimple, uneven skin tone, or pores which are not clean, you can use this mask. Inspired by Ayurvedic tradition. In the recent time I have heard this word Ayurvedic traditions in, I think every brand is trying to get Ayurvedic, but this is really good, right? Ayurvedic treatments are really inexpensive, and at the same time they do wonders. In Indian tradition, we know how much we value our Ayurvedic procedures and everything, so I are going with that sort of ingredients. This is 100% vegan clay mask, so that is beautiful. It is vegan and infused with bamboo charcoal, green tea leaves and organic tea tree oil, and that's the reason I could smell it directly. It really has it. And then it's being formulated without paraben, paraffin, and the mineral oil. So this mask is made without all these bad stuff. So that is beautiful again. This mask will draw out impurities, refine the appearance of pores for healthy looking skin with a glow that shows. So I really want glow. My skin has a little bit of issues going on. These pimples, I'm not sure how I'm getting it, even though I'm eating well nowadays. Then complete your facial at home by applying this mask. Now, another point is the Body Shop India will donate 28 rupees for every purchase of this mask or our facial soap to Red Panda Network. I think Red Panda Network is something which Body Shop works with usually, and they says that 28 rupees of this mask will go to that network. They can donate the facial soap. So guys, better donate the rupees, because I don't think anyone who is in that position or those network does not need soap. They basically need money to help out in different ways. Not everyone need masks, but everyone need money to survive nowadays. So if you can donate this 28 rupees, we as a customer will be very happy. It's 100% vegan. Everything else absorbs excess oil, which we need to see. So okay, that's all I have on the Body Shop website to know. Now, another reason which made me to try this mask was many people out there said that this Body Shop charcoal mask is very comparable to the Glamglow mask. If you guys know anything about the Glamglow mask, this is how it looks. This is like a really beautiful product. This mask is a hit between Hollywood actors, really for real. And this was earlier made specifically for like Hollywood skin. So the perfect Hollywood skin which you see in the Hollywood actress or actors, they all use this mask, and it is a really serious claim which has been proven true. And I'll show you that I've used it entirely. Like, there is nothing left in this bottle because this is such a brilliant product. This is basically a same charcoal mask. It has all the ingredients which are very similar to the Body Shop mask, and then it is really expensive, because if you dream to have Hollywood skin, you should be ready to spend a lot of money, because this product right here, this 15 ml bottle, costed rupees 1700. Can you believe this? 1700 for this much, and then 1890 rupees for this much. You can see this is 75 ml, this is 15 ml. This product has 4.4% of AHA and BHA, so all sort of acids which work on your skin. This product can work on that. You can see your skin will be all clear from pores, blackhead, whitehead in just maximum 10 minutes. Ingredients which are really powerful in this one, and it does not create any sort of irritation, allergic reaction. This is like my favorite top-notch face mask. If you guys are interested to try it, definitely try out in the smaller mask. See if you like it or not. These masks can work for almost 3 to 4 masks. You can skip all those masks and use just this mask. That's beautiful, and that much effective this is. So when people said this is like very comparable to the charcoal mask, I got really interested and I just instantly picked this up. So let us see if this mask works or not. I'll apply this with a clean foundation brush. You know, my last mask brush, it broke out like this funny. Can you see how bad it broke out? The wooden handle is out. Next time when I thought I will pick up a foundation brush instead of those brush, because those brush are really cheaply made and the wood always come out of the handle. So what is the use of buying? So I am now using a Pro Art foundation brush. What can I do? I need a quality face mask brush, so this is the one I'm using. And these sort of mask brush apply the product really evenly, just like the foundation. So that's the reason I'm using this one. So I'll apply it all over my skin and we'll see the difference, how it goes. I'm expecting a lot from this one because it is compared to a really big one, and the claims are really big, which is, you know, making me much more interested. mask, and as I could see, it is drying out really quick, just like the Glamglow one that also dried out as soon as I apply it. So you have to be quick with the mask. And the thing which I've observed is this gives a really cool sensation. I really feel as if I have ice around my face. So during summer right now, this will be the best mask for instant, waking up my skin. Hey guys, so the mask has dried down a lot on every area except for this little area and this, but then I'm going to wash it off because I think this is getting tight, and I'll be back to give you final update. Okay guys, so I have washed the mask and I feel that my skin is really clean out. I could see that the dead skin is removed, and there was a really good cool sensation which I felt, and my skin got relaxed a lot. I don't think that this mask has helped out these pimples which I'm getting around here on the chin in any way, and there is a bit of glow in the skin. As you could see, it is much more cleaner. Around the nose, I have cleaner pores now that I need to see. Quite okayish in terms of cleaning out the pores. This is like not as good as Glamglow was. Glamglow used to clean out 100%, like 100%. You will see a smooth skin. I do have smooth skin, but I won't say it has cleaned out the pores around here. I still feel whiteheads around, so that it does not clean out. So I would say yes, Body Shop Himalayan charcoal mask is a dupe of Glamglow, but in terms of cleaning out pores, it does not, stands close to Glamglow. Glamglow removes all the whitehead and blackhead and clean out pore clean, like the cleanest I have seen. But this one is definitely good for having a clean skin, clearing out the dead skin and making it healthy looking. So it worked out in that manner. So I really enjoyed it. It's like a 60 to 70% dupe of Glamglow. So until I buy Glamglow, I'm going to use this mask because I really like this mask. I've enjoyed using it, and definitely people said the right thing. It definitely clean out your skin and make it look healthy and glowing, which I feel right now my skin is. I don't have any sort of makeup on, so you guys could see this is how my bare skin look like. So I keep on using this mask and give you my regular updates. This is first time I'm using this, so that was my first impression on this mask. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and giving time to watch my videos, so thanks a lot for that. And then I'll see you next time very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.